So hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix unable to turn off do not disturb mode on iPhone after updating to iOS 17. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about they are unable to turn off do not disturb mode on their iPhones after updating to iOS 17 and they don't know how to do this. So guys, if you're also facing this issue, don't worry. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix this. First of all, you have to do is swipe down from the top corner of the screen to open the control center and check if the crescent moon icon is highlighted. If it is, then tap on it and turn off Do Not Disturb. If it doesn't work, then you have to go to your settings, then go to focus, then you have to go to the sleep and delete the focus. Delete both focus and any focus which you have. After deleting and still facing the same issue, then you have to do is toggle aeroplane mode on and off. Swipe down to open the control center and toggle on aeroplane mode. Wait a few seconds and then toggle it off. This can sometimes help reset connectivity settings. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve various issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it and after 15 to 20 seconds later. Then you have to check your bedtime mode. If you are using a bedtime feature in the clock app, it can enable do not disturb during your set bedtime hours. Check the clock app to see if the feature is activated or not. So if you go to your clock app and see if there is any bedtime mode is enabled or not. If it's, then simply disable it. After disabling the bedtime mode and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to do is update iOS. Indicate that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Go to your settings, go to general, tap on software update and see if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After updating to the latest version of iOS 17, then you have to do is check restriction. Go to your settings and go to screen time and go to content and privacy. If it's enabled, then go to allowed app. Then you have to check that. Then you have to check the. So guys, you have to check the make sure that the do not disturb is allowed. If it's not allowed, then you can simply disable the check content and privacy restriction. After this, and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to do is reset all settings. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. For this, simply you have to go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.